Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Logitech MX Keys S for Mac wireless keyboard. I've looked through the internet, compared it with premium keyboards from Apple, Keychron, Satechi, and Logitech's own MX lineup. And today I'll help you decide whether this keyboard is worth buying or if you should choose another option. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The MX Keys S for Mac is designed specifically for Apple users. It features a native macOS key layout, matching space gray finish, USB-C charging, and seamless compatibility with MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Studio, Mac Mini, iPad, and even iPhone. Unlike many third-party keyboards that simply work with Macs, this one feels like it was built to be part of Apple's ecosystem. The first thing you'll notice is the typing experience. Logitech uses low-profile, spherically dished keys that guide your fingertips naturally into position. The keys provide a quiet, soft, laptop-like feel with excellent stability, making long typing sessions comfortable whether you're writing documents, coding, editing photos, or responding to emails. If you spend hours every day at your keyboard, this is easily one of the best typing experiences available. Another standout feature is the smart backlighting. The keyboard automatically detects when your hands approach and illuminates the keys only when needed. It also adjusts brightness based on your room lighting, helping preserve battery life while making it easy to work in dark environments. Through the Logi Options Plus software, you can further customize the lighting behavior to match your preferences. Productivity is where the MX Keys S really separates itself from standard wireless keyboards. Using the Logi Options Plus app, you can create smart actions that automate repetitive tasks with a single keystroke. Whether you're launching applications, organizing files, opening websites, or performing multiple commands at once, these shortcuts can save significant time during your daily workflow. Connectivity is equally impressive. The keyboard connects through Bluetooth Low Energy and supports pairing with up to 3 Apple devices simultaneously. Switching between your MacBook, iPad, and iMac only takes a single button press, making it perfect for users who regularly work across multiple Apple devices. Battery life is another major advantage. Thanks to USB-C rechargeable power, you won't be constantly replacing batteries. With the backlighting turned off, the keyboard can last for months on a single charge, while even with lighting enabled, battery life remains excellent for everyday use. The build quality feels premium throughout. The aluminum top plate gives the keyboard a solid, durable feel without adding excessive weight. The low-profile design and optimized typing angle also help reduce wrist fatigue during extended work sessions. There are only a couple of things to consider. Unlike mechanical keyboards, the MX Keys S focuses on quiet productivity rather than tactile gaming feedback, so users who prefer clicky mechanical switches may find it too soft. Also, it connects only through Bluetooth on the Mac version, so there isn't a bundled USB receiver for Mac users. So, should you buy the Logitech MX Keys S for Mac? Absolutely yes. If you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem and want one of the best wireless productivity keyboards available, it's an outstanding choice. The premium build quality, exceptional typing experience, smart backlighting, multi-device connectivity, USB-C charging, and powerful productivity features make it one of the finest keyboards you can pair with a Mac. If you want to check the latest price, click the link below for the best deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.